Gates open. They're up and racing. Speedmaker. Rugged D is by the rail, moving up by Porsari. Lakota Creek, second last, and trailing the group is Backyard B-Boy. Heading towards the last 900. Speedmaker in command by Alec. Rugged D is right behind in second, closing in third by Porsari. Lakota Creek remains second last, and Backyard B-Boy still in behind them past the last 800. Speedmaker this time by about 2 lengths, moving up to take second by Porsari. Rugged D drops back in third. Lakota Creek moving up by the rail, and Dory outside his Backyard B-Boy heading towards the last 450. Speedmaker still in command, moving up Dory outside and throwing a challenge by Porsari, and on the far outside is Backyard B-Boy. Lakota Creek is sneaking in down on the inside. Four runners now parting it out for the lead by Porsari. Backyard B-Boy. Lakota Creek is by the rail. Speedmaker with the last 150 more to run. Backyard B-Boy now doing the better over by Porsari, Lakota Creek, and finally Backyard B-Boy by Porsari, Lakota Creek, Speedmaker, and Rugged D.